Hey guys, today I'm going to make this video CAD model. So firstly we identify in which view. So for that I am taking this viewer and it is looking from this side. So its front view is on this upper side and top view is in the lower side. So we identified this first, and by this we can see that it is in which view. So we can easily see here this is our front view in the upper side of the top view. So we can identify this is our first angle projection. If you know about EGD, engineering graphics and design, so you can easily understand these things. And now we want to create in this Soliworks software. So for that we are going on forward, but firstly see that dimensions and all these things, which things we should create here and which plan we should create. So we come in the Soliworks and we want to make a part. So firstly, I want to see the dimensions 80 and 40 rectangle. Yes. So for that, I select the top line plus and create a one center rectangle. Yes. Now we go forward and create 80 cross 40 rectangle. Tab. For changing dimension, you should click tab. And yes, I can see in the top view it looks like this way. Yes, it is right. And for that, I want to create one circle here. Yes, and which dimensions is 10, maybe 10, yes, 10 mm, and which center is located from both two lines is how much? Yes, it is 15, both side from 15. So I should select give the dimensions that center to that's both lines is 15 mm. So select it from this surface, sorry, this lines is 15, and from this line to this line, what happened to this? It gives the dimensions, we know that 90 angle. Okay, so I should tilt some amount, so yeah, and select this center and give it dimensions to here. Yes, and it is 15 mm. Yes. Now we want to extrude this, make or make this 3D part. So for that I'm going there and making this, yes, 10 mm. Yes, right. For more add something part, so I should create its upper surface and make some rectangle. So for that I select corner rectangle, which is too much beneficial here than center rectangle. So for the dimensions I should check here 25 plus 10 plus 10 means 45. Its length and width is around 30. Yes. So for that we going to create it. So firstly go through it and again see it. Yeah, there is no any confusion. So firstly select, yeah, give dimensions to this 45 and this 30. Now we created it and extrude it up to its length, so which is 25. Yes, so keep it, yes. Now it's extruded. Now we want to create this circle cutting part. So how we can make? By using circle arc. So for that we should select this surface to making that center point arc. Before going forward I want to select this surface and create sketch. So yeah, you can also draw by the circle, but I'm using center point arc. Now select first its center point, and after starting to create its arc, what's going wrong with it, again try it, select that and select its center point. Yes, which is right dimension. Yeah, click on it, the surface. Yes, click. Yes, it is done. Now close this entities. So you can see that this is closed, and we want to cut it. So extrude cut applied here up to through all. Yeah, through all both side. Yes. Yes, you can see here it is cut it. Now you can see here it looks nice. Whatever we want, we have made it. Now I want to add rip command. So for that I select this surface and make the line on that both corner, and I want to rip. So I firstly features and rip. This is the center. So before moving to right, so use that right and okay, flip material side, and it is 10 mm. Yes, it is 10 mm. So okay it, yes. Now it is made. It looks nice, amazing. So it looks as which we want in our CAD modeling. So I wanted to apply here material, so I applied 30 steel. Yes, 304 steel. It looks so nice. And if we want to apply some color for attraction, so I can also edit colors and go for that. This is look nice. Yeah, so you can see that this is a AISC 304. And so whatever task they have given us, we have selected and done in this SolidWorks. So whatever we want, we have made it, and I think we have done clearly and as soon as fast. Okay, so this is all about me. If you have any query, so please comment on me.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.